This is a quick tutorial on how to add social media icons to tccmarketing.com. So specifically we're talking about the icons that we've added for you below the Call Us Now section. So we have Facebook and LinkedIn. Each of these, when clicked on, will take you to each of those specific social media outlets. So there's a few things before we get started that we need you to do. One, be certain that you go out on the web and find a social media icon. They're free for the most part, and you just search. So let's say you wanted to add a YouTube link. You could put just YouTube or Google YouTube icon, YouTube social media icon, and you'll certainly find plenty there. Be certain that you select one with a .png ending. So YouTube logo .png would be a typical thing you could look for. So once you have saved your, in this case, we're going to do a Facebook because that's what I have and it's quicker. Once you have that, save it to your desktop, and then we can get started. Okay. The next thing we're going to need is the address of your social media outlet that you're going to be adding to your homepage. So in this case, we're going to use Facebook for this example. So this address for your social media outlet, Facebook, is up top here. You're going to need that. So first you're going to copy that. What I like to do is open up a simple text document and paste that address into that simple text document. Set that aside, and now log into your TCC Marketing dashboard. So here's your dashboard as it appears as you first get into the page. And the next thing we need to do is upload that Facebook button, that Facebook icon. So how you do that is you go into your media. I'm going to click on Add New. The Add New window opens, and you can either drag that icon over, that icon file from your desktop, onto this Drop Files Here section, or select Files. So for this example, we're just going to select the file directly. And you can see here we have my facebook.png file that we're going to upload. You'll see it uploads quickly. You'll see over here, you'll see your little icon, and then off to the right you'll see a small edit. Click on the small edit, and two things we're going to do. One is we're going to input the alternative text. Now be certain that you always do this. Facebook icon, link to fan page. Alternative text, don't leave it blank. For search engine optimization purposes. If you don't do it, search engines don't like it, so it does not help your ranking at all. Apparently it's for folks who are impaired in one way or another. I've never really investigated it. I've just always been told by SEO gurus to make sure it's filled in. The next thing you're going to do is over here on the right hand side, highlight the file URL. Obviously this is the location on your server where the Facebook icon is located. Then navigate back to your simple text document and paste that address. You're going to need both of those when we code that button, that Facebook button. Once those two things are done, you're going to click Update. And once the file is updated and added to your library, we're going to go over into to code the button. So where that's located is you click on back over to the dashboard. Click on the TCC Marketing. Click right on that. Don't click on the slider. Once you're in this section, you'll see at the lower portion, you'll see mobile phone number area. That's what we call the area where we're going to be adding, obviously, your phone number, and that's where the social media icons exist. So very quickly, you can look in this last para of code. You can see where a few things. One, the link to your Facebook fan page or whatever social media outlet you'd like to add, and that is here. So ordinarily, if we were going to be coding a new outlet, you're going to do it inside the div here, and the div here. This is the beginning div and the end div. So anything that happens between these two div tags will appear in the same area as your other social media icons. So you're going to replicate what we've done here, starting at the A tag, back all the way down to the end of the A tag right there. which is right there. We want the closed bracket A. Right next to that is the LinkedIn code, is the next code for LinkedIn. So you would copy and paste that area within the div code. So you would paste it right here. Okay? As long as you do that, you can then quickly figure out how to add your social media icon. So let's do that. So we go to the closed, you have a bracket left open, and then it ends with a closed A bracket. And you can see that repeated here for your LinkedIn. Starts with an A and ends with a closed A bracket. So what we're going to do is right after that A, we're going to add our mock Facebook icon. So if this were your YouTube, it would be YouTube. You would just end up pasting your YouTube address here. I'm pretty sure you're getting the gist of this. You would paste your Facebook address here, Command paste, Command V, boom. Now we have your image source, which is right here. Remember, the image source you get when you generate, it's generated from the media library when you upload your social icon. So in this case, it's our Facebook 3 ping, and we're going to paste that inside the image source right there, Command paste. And then everything else you can leave alone. You're all set. When you're done doing that, you will then go to Save Changes. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. I'm not going to save changes because I don't want more than one Facebook tag. So anyway, thanks so much, and I hope this helped. And if not, let me know. Shoot me an email. Oh, actually, sorry. There's also a Save Changes up top here too. And then you can go back to your page and you'll see that your icon is there. Okay, thanks.